If your home feels messy, crowded, or just hard to manage, this video is about to change everything. Because today we're diving into some seriously genius Amazon finds that help you declutter, organize, and upgrade your space without stressing out. From smart storage for tiny corners to space-saving furniture and clever home gadgets, these picks are all about making your life easier and your home look cleaner, calmer, and way more stylish. All the links are down in the description. Alright, let's jump into the first genius with this 4-tier slim rolling storage cart. This is designed for narrow gaps in kitchens, offices, or laundry rooms that usually turn into clutter zones. This cart slides beside appliances or desks, adding vertical storage without blocking movement. Each tier holds supplies neatly, while wheels let this move easily when needed. It's compact but sturdy, adapting to daily routines instead of staying fixed. Oh, this simple addition makes tight spaces organized, practical, and far easier to manage. Right after that comes this 360-degree rotating 6-tier bookshelf on wheels. This is all about maximizing storage without spreading outward. This vertical tower spins smoothly, giving easy access to books, decor, or storage bins from every angle. The wheels allow effortless repositioning, making it ideal for apartments or home offices. The tall structure keeps floors clear while boosting storage capacity. This rotating design reduces visual clutter and makes organizing feel intuitive instead of frustrating. Next in line is this wooden desk shelf with 8 shelves. This transforms overcrowded desks into clean, structured workspaces. The multi-level design lifts books, files, and accessories upward, freeing valuable surface space for actual work. Items stay separated and visible, reducing pileups and distractions. The wooden finish adds warmth without feeling bulky or overwhelming. This setup helps work areas feel calmer, more efficient, and much easier to maintain daily. Moving along with this jewelry mirror cabinet, let's see. This wall-mounted mirror opens into a large, lockable storage system for accessories. Built-in LED lighting improves visibility while organizing necklaces, rings, and earrings without tangling. Wall mounting clears dresser space and keeps valuables hidden yet accessible. It blends storage with everyday functions seamlessly. Yeah, this upgrade streamlines daily routines while keeping bedrooms tidy, organized, and visually balanced. Following that, this wall-mounted mop and broom holder. This brings order to cleaning tools that usually lean in corners or clutter floors. Handles lock securely into slots, while hooks hold dustpans and brushes off the ground. Vertical storage clears space and improves safety in kitchens, garages, or laundry rooms. Installation keeps everything aligned and easy to reach. This system makes utility areas easier to maintain. And talking about laundry convenience with this full automatic portable washing machine, let's see. This compact washer handles daily loads without needing a permanent hookup. Multiple wash programs and adjustable water levels allow better fabric care in small spaces. This fits apartments, dorms, or secondary laundry areas where space is limited. Simple controls make operations stress-free. This machine keeps laundry organized, predictable, and manageable without overwhelming your home. Heading forward to living room ease with this couch cup holder tray. This rests securely on sofa armrests to hold drinks, snacks, phones, or remotes. It helps prevent spills while keeping essentials within arm's reach, reducing table clutter instantly. Foldable sections allow quick storage when not in use. This adds function without adding extra furniture. This simple tray keeps lounging areas neat, controlled, organized, and way more comfortable overall. And moving back to kitchen storage with this 9-tier over-the-door pantry organizer. This transforms unused door space into vertical storage gold. Multiple tiers hold snacks, spices, jars, and packets neatly, keeping everything visible and separated. Installation is simple and renter-friendly, requiring no drilling or tools. This reduces cabinet crowding instantly. This organizer makes kitchens feel larger, cleaner, more efficient, and far easier to maintain daily. Meanwhile, these space-saving 6-tier pant hangers keeps your closet organized. Let's see. This vertical design allows multiple pants to hang from one hook, freeing valuable rod space. Each tier keeps garments separated to reduce wrinkles and speed up outfit selection. Strong construction supports weight evenly without bending. This works well for small or shared closets. This setup turns chaotic closets into streamlined, easy-to-navigate spaces effortlessly. And sliding into fridge organization with this 10-pack fridge organizer set, this mix of large, medium, and small bins creates structured zones for food storage. Stackable designs maximize shelf height, while lids help keep items fresh and contained longer. Clear bins improve visibility, reducing forgotten leftovers. Built-in handles make access simple during meal prep. You know, this system keeps refrigerators tidy, efficient, organized, and stress-free daily. Moving into countertop clarity with this coffee canister. This airtight container keeps coffee fresh while eliminating messy bags and cluttered shelves. The compact shape fits neatly on counters or inside cabinets, while clear or labeled designs help track quantity easily. This supports cleaner routines and better storage habits over time. This small change brings order to mornings and keeps kitchens looking intentional and organized. Now let's talk about this tabletop ironing board. This compact wall-mounted design is perfect for homes without space for bulky ironing setups. The board folds down only when needed and stores flat against the wall afterward. An integrated iron holder keeps tools secure and within reach. It's ideal for quick touch-ups without dragging out equipment. This solution keeps laundry routines efficient while preventing clutter from building up. Now sliding into comfort upgrades with this wooden bathtub tray, let's see. This expandable tray fits securely across tubs, holding books, tablets, drinks, or candles. Adjustable width ensures stability, while dedicated slots prevent items from tipping over. The foldable design allows easy storage when not in use. It adds organization to relaxation without mess. This thoughtful setup keeps bathrooms tidy while making downtime feel intentional and clutter-free. Up next comes this stackable closet storage basket set. You know, this creates flexible storage for clothes, linens, or accessories without permanent installation. Each basket stacks securely or folds flat when unused, adapting easily to changing needs. Open fronts improve visibility, making items quicker to grab and return neatly. These fit closets, wardrobes, or shelves efficiently. This modular system keeps clothing organized while simplifying everyday routines. Continuing with laundry solutions through this portable clothes dryer, this compact unit delivers fast drying without needing a full-size setup. A stainless steel drum ensures durability, while the exhaust hose manages airflow efficiently. It's ideal for apartments or small homes with limited laundry space. Quick drying cycles reduce indoor moisture buildup. This appliance keeps laundry areas controlled, functional, organized, efficient, practical, and far less cluttered overall daily. And for easy convenience comes this heavy-duty furniture lifter. Let's see. This tool makes moving heavy furniture safer and much easier. Leverage handles lift items effortlessly, while sliders allow smooth movement across floors without damage. It's perfect for cleaning underneath furniture or rearranging layouts solo. Compact storage keeps this tool handy without adding mess. This practical helper simplifies reorganizing spaces without strain, stress, hassle, or effort. And hey, all these goodies are lined up in the description below. Grab your favorites and start transforming your home today. Keeping the momentum with this versatile convertible sleeper sofa bed, this smart piece is built for homes that need flexibility without clutter. This sofa switches effortlessly into a bed, making it perfect for apartments, studios, or guest-ready living rooms. Cushion support keeps it comfortable in both modes, while the included pillow adds convenience. During the day, this saves floor space. At night, it becomes functional sleep seating.
And heading forward with this electric standing desk, let's see. This height-adjustable desk shifts smoothly between sitting and standing positions throughout the day. Strong lifting performance supports monitors and equipment without wobble. Reliable motors ensure consistent movement for long-term use. This setup encourages healthier work habits while keeping desks organized. This desk helps workspaces feel dynamic, stable, efficient, and purpose-built for daily productivity. Now here's something essential, this bamboo kitchen storage bag organizer. This keeps snack bags, freezer packs, and boxed items upright and separated. Bamboo construction adds durability while maintaining a clean, natural look. Built-in handles allow easy movement between cabinets or counters. This prevents piles from collapsing into chaos. You know, this organizer keeps food storage neat, visible, accessible, and easy to manage daily.
And wrapping things up with these underbed storage containers with wheels? This low-profile design slides easily beneath beds to store clothes, shoes, or seasonal items. Wheels allow smooth pull-out access without lifting, while lids protect contents from dust. The structured shape prevents sagging over time. This solution quietly expands storage capacity, tying the whole setup together while keeping bedrooms and living areas uncluttered, organized, and effortlessly functional. That's it for these genius Amazon finds to declutter your home. Smart storage solutions, space-saving furniture, and clever gadgets make every corner more functional, every room calmer, and every space easier to enjoy.